Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alemji Emmanuel. Today we are going to look how to install your CCTV camera in your store or in your house. But this one is mostly used in your store. So this is the camera. This is the camera. We have two ports here, the video port and the audio port. We are going to drill this camera on the wall and screw it on the wall. We link this camera with our saver. This camera is going to be linked with our saver. Then from there we do the configuration. So that is what we are going to do today. So just watch this video to the end and you're gonna learn how to do your camera. Yes, so we have the saver here. This is the saver where the camera is going to be connected to this. So let me just show you people how it is. So this is the saver. We are going to link the camera to this port, and this is the audio port. This saver takes just two cameras. It can take two, it can take four, but today we are going to connect two cameras for the main moment. So I'm going to show you all the steps how to connect this. We also have the meters cable, RJ45 cable, which is going to be linked. So I'm going to show you how to do all those things in this video. So watch this video to the entire. So as I was saying, this is the cable. We are going to link this cable. We have the connector. This connector is going to be connected. We have some ports here. Remember, we have ports here for the camera. This is video port, while this one is responsible for the audio. So we have a connector here for the video. This is the connector for the video. You are going to see very well when we are doing the work. And we have the audio connector. This is also the audio connector. So all of those things are to be connected. We have the mask. This is the mask where we are going to do the configuration of the saver. While this is the adapter, and we have the hard disk where the videos are going to be stored. So those are the accessories of the camera. This is the saver. In the saver we have the video port, we have the audio. Like you can see, you see inside the plastic, this is video in and this is audio out. So we have two ports for the audio. We can intercept 4 different cameras with 2 ports. While we have our internet, this port here is to link the saver to your internet, like to a Wi-Fi box. Yes, while this is for the mouse or external hard disk to add it. While this is the DC 12 volts. So this saver is powered by 12 volts, and this is the adapter to on the saver. So just stay tuned and you'll learn something today very important. To do the audio port and the video port, we want to connect these 2 ports in this cable so that we can link this cable to the camera and to the saver. So this is very easy. For the video port, we should open this place. This man is going to enter in the cable and we connect it directly. So the first step, we peel our cable using our cable cutter. Peel this. Yes. So connect this main cable, slot it inside. After slotting it inside, to make sure you tie it firmly very well. Take your plier. Take your plier. Now there should be no join between your positive and your negative. Make sure it does not join. If not, there's going to have short circuit. So take note. You can you put your scotch there, I see. So now I love putting scotch. connected to this no join. Okay, keep this man now and you can now tie this. So that is how you can do your extension. After this, we are going to link this with the camera and the saver. So this is the end product. Video, audio. Yes, so you can see the connection. We have the video port, the audio port, video port, and the audio port. So this is how the cable looks like. Okay, you can see we have already screw, we have played the camera on the wall. So I want to connect this cable form. This cable is going to link your camera and your saver. So this is the video port. You connect this with this. Make sure that it enters well. I see. It's like you are connecting your bulb. You need to screw it to enter well. Connect now your audio. This man is responsible for the audio video. For the audio, while this is responsible for the video. So after this connection, we just need to link this cable with our saver and we are good to go. Okay, so this saver, we need to connect the hard disk, the hard drive inside. So they will not connect the hard drive inside, so we need to open this saver and we do the connection. So let's try to open it and see. You make sure you open and keep the screw somewhere. Keep it where you want. So we're opening the last screw. Now after opening it, we need to open the saver. I think so. We need to connect our hard disk. Our hard disk needs to be here. Now this place we have where air will penetrate to cool the hard disk. So this is the hard drive. This is a cable. So take this cable, you plug it. Plug. And the other cable, you do same. You plug this. I think this is 512 GB or 1 tera. You plug it and you do same. Plug this. So these are the screws we need to use it to tie the hard drive. We're tying now the hard drive. So that one, tie it from outside. Tie the hard drive from outside. Make sure it's firm. Tie it firm. So after this, that is all. We just need to lock our. You want to do another extension, you can connect it here for the hard drive if this one is not sufficient. But I think 500 GB is sufficient. So just close it. Almost 60,000. So some other servers used to come with their hard disk already connected, but this one I think the connection yourself. You need to do a connection yourself. So yeah, so I've already connected it. I've closed it. So we have some ports here. We have the video port. This one is responsible for the video, and we have the audio out port. We have the VGA port. You can connect this port to your monitor, or you can use a HDMI port to connect to your flat screen, which is called your smart television. You can do that. This one is responsible for your network. Yes, so then this is a network port. If you want to link this server to the cloud, you need to use this port to connect it to your Wi-Fi box and access these videos, the videos on your cloud, so on the internet. So this is where you are going to connect your mouse. You connect your mouse here to do the configuration. And this one you can also put your USB flash there. This is DC 12 volt, where you connect. This one is going to power the saver. So those are the ports. Okay, we want to do the configuration of this hard drive. So the region, let's start from the region. We need to select Cameroon, so where you are located. So look for Cameroon. If it's not there, you can select Central Africa. But I'm sure Cameroon is there. Okay, this is Cameroon. Start to take Cameroon. Now the language is in French or in English. Select English. Now this is the video standard, which is correct. Now your African time, the date of today, you have to do the adjustment. Is correct with the time is correct. Date week. Now start time from January, yes, is correct. So the start time is September. The date today is the 16th, right? 17. So we take September 17. Time. So next. After this, we need to check if the software is updated or outdated. So we take next. Now we need the name of this and the password. We can input the password. So we can skip this and redo it. Next. Okay, the one for link with nothing online. The one the link this is. Okay, so now the next step, we are to connect all the cameras. So we have the ports here, video port. So this is a video port. This is the video port. So connect it. The one that has camera. Okay, so I've done the connection. The video port. This port is we need an adapter there to power the camera. So that is the adapter that we connected. So we connected the adapter to power two cameras. So those are the two ports, as you can see. It's connected to the camera. The adapter powers the camera. That is the system, as you can see, the first camera and the second camera. So the first one is cam 1 taken outside, and second is cam 2. This is the first view camera inside the store, and we also have the second view camera which takes outside. This is the second view camera. So this is the for the main moment we did two installation of two CCTV camera for the main moment. So don't forget to like this video, share this video,
like, share and subscribe.